Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So, how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today, I want to share very beautiful designs, very charming, very attractive, and latest design. Its latest many others videos I will always be sharing with you. Are many others videos with many others ideas. I will be sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many ideas, with many beautiful and latest stunning full design and most demanding and charmful ideas. If you guys like so perfectly, like so attractive and beautiful design and most charmful ideas, if you guys like so amazing and most demanding design, so decorations related ideas of this video, it's all about that. 200 plus easy dye Halloween's archway decor ideas for outdoor pumpkins, balloons, and inflatables. Are inflatables, pumpkins, and outdoor decorations like Halloween's according pumpkins and balloons and inflatables are many others unique full and stunning full ideas with many basics videos are always be sharing with you. I will always be sharing one by one designs of decorations related many others videos you will be sharing with you. I will be sharing with these amazing and beautiful designs, beautiful ideas. Are you like these amazing videos? Everyone, you like see many others articles, see many others videos, you will be always be sharing with you. I will always be sharing with many others articles, with many others videos. And if you guys like so interesting, like so perfectly and unique full ideas, it's very mind-blowing with designs of different balloons or colors combo. It's mostly pumpkins, are also pumpkins are balloons types are available for markets and other online websites. And different Halloween's designs like its other designs like balloons are colors combo black and orange are Halloween's according decorations of outdoor are best ideas of mostly. You can see these are many places for Halloween's decorations like malls according like it's circle type for like these amazing birthday decorations according to use, and mostly are regularly used for these decorations related are many flat tables are used with different designs with according to total balloons of colors combo. It's very colors combo are you share with you. I will be sharing with you, and I will be always be sharing with many ideas with many beautiful and charming looks. So with many you can see these attractive and most charmful ideas and most demanding and stunning full designs. So latest videos, latest designs are more stylish and latest and helpful designs for everyone. You like many others articles with many more videos are will be amazing and stay will be connected with our channel and more another ideas, more another videos. You can see these my channels, and every videos decorations related are available to my channel of 2024 days for and day by day designs are daily basis designs are also changing. These designs are daily basis videos are totally changes for another videos. So I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button for notification. Always be sharing with many others ideas, with many others videos you can see with another and beautiful designs, beautiful videos are many others articles are you like these most amazing and decorations related many videos are will be sharing this channel. So let's go. Inshallah, we will meet again in the next video.